Welcome to Focus Tech, my name is Dan and today you're going to see a short time lapse of me upgrading my brother's PC case to my old case. Okay, it is all connected, it's all booted up. There's the SSD, there are the hard drives, there's power supply, all that stuff. Everything is plugged in and working perfectly. I did have a few problems with the fan connectors. This fan, it doesn't really like not being connected to that header over there. It's not a fan of it at all. And I tried plugging it into that header, whoopsie, that one there, which is also a 4-pin. And I also tried plugging it into that one there, which is, oh hang on, that one there, which is also a 4-pin, but when I booted it up, it went to the post screen and said CPU fan error. So, oh shit, why is the screen gone off? Why is the screen gone off? What have I broken? Or is it just doing that because, oh, it's okay. It's fine, never mind, I'm an idiot. So, it's a bit awkward, it's a little bit annoying. I mean, the main problem was the fact that this motherboard doesn't have 3 fan header chassis things. It's only got 2. It's got two chassis fans and 1 CPU fan, so it's a little bit annoying, but again, it's a minor inconvenience which was relatively easily solved just by plugging in a little fan hub. So at the end of the day, it is working. It's working fine as far as I can tell. It's booted up, it's on the desktop, as you can see over there. No major problems, but you know, it is what it is. It's working. And at the end of the day, that's all that really matters. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.